I am doing this beef today for a client, and she wants beef and plantain. Just cutting it at the middle size. Remember, beef do not rise, it will only reduce. Yeah, so this part. Wash your hand very careful, especially if you are using a sharp knife. You don't want to cut your hand. I'm just trying to take off this fat. There is some meat you will like them with fat together. There's some part are just so much, so I'm just trying to remove this this part of it. I don't want to cut much meat out. I just want to try to trim them, but some meat must follow, but not just all the meat. Yeah. Yeah, I don't clean it, wash them, and I'm putting curry, thyme, and rosemary. I slice the medium-sized onions inside the beef. Now we'll be using this seasoning for taste. I put these 2 pepper inside, salt and bay leaf. We just closed it for it to boil a little bit with the water, then I'll come back to it. So as I cover the meat for like 5 minutes, then I come back, it's like this now. You can see I never add water to it. This is the juice that come out for the beef by itself. But I will add water to it because I need the water to do something else. I will just leave it for a while for it to be cooking. I've already cut this one. Just take it out, the skin out, and then slice it as you want. Any shape you like. And I will be cutting this small one today because that is what the person wants. Okay. So same way I slice all of them. The meat is ready. Just have to take it out from the pot so I can fry it. Most of the bone are out of the meat because they are done. So I'm just taking the bay leaf out because I don't want to fry the bay leaf with it. I add this size of onions inside. I like when the onion is burning inside, that smell. It makes the meat also taste better and smell good when you open it at the party. I'm using 2 canned tomatoes of 400 grams. That's the meat they're frying. I will I'll fry this one, let it done for like half an hour before transferring the fried meat to it. If you are using any pot, it will be better if you use no sticky pan or no sticky pot. But the one I'm using is not no sticky pan, but I can use it. Taking it out from the deep fryer, I'll be adding more too. We have turn the meat inside the stew. Okay. I take this little bit out. I'll add some to it because this one might not be enough. Yeah, now it's mixed well. The stove is already on low heat, so I will just cover it for a couple of minutes. The meat is ready.